How to format your card in the JVC GY-HM700U. Just a reminder, formatting your card will erase all data on the card. This cannot be undone. If you have footage on the card that you need, do not format the card. First, your card needs to be at least a Class 10 and a max size of 32 gigabytes. Also, make sure the card is unlocked. Insert the card into the camera. Never force the card. The card should go in easily. Carefully close the card slot door. Hit the menu button on the upper left of the directional pad, highlighted in a blue light. Using the directional pad, navigate down to Media. Hit the Center Enter button. Using the Media menu, highlight Format Media and hit Enter. Select what card you would like to format. Use the up arrow on the directional pad to highlight Format and hit Enter. Wait for the camera to format the card. When the card is done being formatted, the camera will return to Format menu. If using two cards, repeat this process for the second card slot. You are all done. Hit the menu button to leave the menu. If you have more questions, please feel free to contact us at 215-641-6477 or by email at techservices@mc3.edu.